what do you think here? What are we gonna do here?
Maybe we should do the Adventure of Oatmeal. No, the Adventure of Oatmeal Mountain.
Nah, it's been done. I don't know. We just run out
No,
of
we
idea.
haven't. I mean, we did one where I about oatmeal, but that isn't Oatmeal Mountain, where I got my oatmeal from.
I don't know. I just feel like we're getting stale on ideas, and we need to find something to do that will be, at least partially interesting to all of the.
I'm Tookle, and I'm the imposter. Look, I have enough this done.
Tookle, that's a kid's butter knife.
Okay.
And besides, we're not even doing any. We're definitely not doing any Among Us ideas. That's just been done too many times. I don't care. Don't just take your butter knife and whatever.
Okay.
Wellington, we need something that is fresh, something that pops.
I have an
all
idea.
about yes,
We
what
should do
are
a
you?
fan submission and see if the fans didn't have any ideas for what we could do.
Submission. That's perfect. I love it. Oh, I love you, Elliot. I love it. And I love fan submission. Do we have fans?
Yes, I think so.
How many?
8.
8. Okay. Well, actually, do any of them submit anything, or have they submitted anything?
Well, they could probably comment down with their idea. They could probably send us give us what their idea.
Okay, if you are a fan of this show, so if you are a fan of this show, then send in your fan submissions and what Tookle? What?
I mean, my butter knife.
Why are you eating a butter knife? Why are you eating? Oh gosh. But so if you were a fan,
Tookle, you shouldn't eat knives. They're dangerous.
oh, just let him eat it. He doesn't know any better. He's impossible to kill. I know this for a fact. He's done so many dumb things and he's still alive. So.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay. So we'll have our fan submission. If you are a fan of this show, yes, all 8 of you or less, please submit your ideas for an American Bear episode.
Oh, we got some ideas.
We're really running out of ideas. We do?
Yeah.
Let's do it. What is it?
We have 3 of them submit an idea. American Bear is in Fall Guys.
Okay, I got that.
And
Any others?
American Bear's Sea Trip. American Bear's Pirate Trip.
Okay, all right. American Bear's Pirate
And
Trip.
finally, grilling.
Grilling. Oh.
Yeah.
You know how I don't like grilling yet.
You're just saying that because you don't like You're just saying that because you don't like hamburgers. You can cook hot dogs too.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess, grilling would be a good idea. American Bear grilling, and it doesn't involve pirates or anything too difficult. We don't even have to leave the house. Okay, fine. We'll do grilling. Let's do it. Grilling.
Although, we don't have a grill. So, we're going to have to use the toaster oven. Hey guys, my name's Tookle. I'm back.
What kind of low-budget production is it? We don't even have a grill. We're gonna...
What's that toaster oven?
Oh, God. Okay, so let's do this. In lieu of grilling, we are doing toasting, I guess.
Okay. Okay. Maybe we can cook some Hot Pockets.
Yes.
Okay,
Hot
I'll get
Pockets.
those Hot Pockets.
Hot Pockets. Welcome to the grill show, folks. The American Bear Grill Show.
Alright, I got my Hot Pockets.
What? Tookle. What are you doing?
What do you want, Big Rabbit?
What are you doing is what I want to know.
I'm cooking my hot pockets.
But you don't put the whole box in there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna
Fine,
be
I'll
terrible.
eat myself.
Yeah. No, this is...
Tookle, you can't eat yourself. But I want to eat but I don't have anything else to eat.
Listen, we don't know that for sure that he can't eat himself. So give the thing, whatever it is, crazy, genetic mutation, a chance. Let him try it.
Okay.
All right.
Alright.
Let's turn that bad boy right all the way up to bake.
Alright.
If it goes
Ready,
higher than
Tookle?
600, that's fine.
Alright. Ready, Tookle? I think I want to go now.
Okay. All righty. So while Tookle is baking, we can.
Well, Tookle just gave up on the idea of cooking himself, so that's good.
Yeah, I think that's worth sacrificing a hot pocket or two for. So
I made some donuts.
yeah, we get.
They're done. Where's it?
I think, folks.
Also,
I think,
American Bear, I got you something.
yes. Oh, goody! I get a gift.
Can you guess what it is?
Oh, no. Is it a hot pocket? Wait, it's a bagel pie. No, wait,
It's a bear bread made 100% out of bears. And don't worry, American Bear, I'll save you the head. He's opening this up.
what?
So yeah, enjoy.
Wait, did you say that's made out of real bears?
Yeah, what's the problem?
The problem is I am a bear.
Oh yeah. So you don't want this?
No, I don't want. This looks like my cousin Phil. Phil, is that you? Oh no.
Don't worry, American Bear, I'm still alive.
Oh my gosh. It's Phil. They cooked you. You had a beautiful coat of fur and now they're. Oh my gosh. But wait.
Well, it feels good smelling like cinnamon.
Oh.
I love cinnamon.
Oh gosh, cut the show. This is a disaster. Cut the show.
You know what? Fine. We're just gonna cook these hot pockets in the microwave. No toaster oven, no grill, microwave.
Those were good.
That was some good hot pockets.
No kidding. And I gotta admit, Phil tasted a lot better than I initially protested, but
You wait, Phil.
well, that was the plan, right?
I thought we were eating hot pockets.
Well, yeah, of course I had hot pockets, but I thought Phil was kind of like dessert. Well, you told me I could have the head.
So does that mean you're Phil now?
I guess so.
American Bear, are you the one moving?
No, I'm not. I don't know what's going on here. What am I? I can't control my movements.
Why are you getting cinnamon?
I don't know.
I think you are Phil.
No.
Phil now.
Phil, what are you doing? No, Phil.
I'm getting cinnamon.
Phil, what are you doing?
I was made of cinnamon, so I'm gonna eat myself.
No.
I want to kill myself too.
No, coming in, folks. Help me.
My name's Tookle.